Hi there, we're just at a typical kind of bungalow that's been renovated with more modern updated front door, modern windows, and the occupants are complaining that they're having coughing, breathing issues, headaches, that sort of thing. We've already done a quick inspection, found that they don't have enough or adequate ventilation or fresh air coming in. So that is causing an increase in CO2 levels, and their furnace filter setup is not really working at all for them. I'm going to show you a couple of shots. When we go in, take a quick video. Obviously we're not going to identify the house or the address and protect their privacy, so there'll just be a couple of short little clips that should show you what to look for if you live in a 50s or 60s bungalow. You can see here our CO2 meter is showing 1257 carbon dioxide levels. It should be reading well below 800. And we're just down here at the furnace, and this has a pretty typical setup of a 5-inch furnace filter slot, but as is typical in the case of a lot of these filter housings, you can't get the proper size, and people put in a 1-inch that doesn't fully seal or fully fit, which is causing quite a bit of airborne dust and particulate issues. This should be changed out for the bionic air screen. So the recommendation here is that they install a ventilation system to get the airflow going. It basically draws in fresh air and pushes out stale air. And also they should get a better furnace filter, because right now they don't have one. It should be a furnace filter that properly fits the opening. Plus we're also going to be recommending a central HEPA filtration system. All of that will bring in fresh air, clean air, and should improve the indoor air quality. Stay tuned for the next video.